Do you want to get Gemini Pro for 18 months, Gemini Pro for 1 year, and Gemini Pro for 4 months? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain you the subscription process of Gemini Pro 18 month and 4 months. Okay, you can see this is the Gemini Pro 18 months. You can see on the screen the Gemini Pro 18 month Google AI Pro plan, and I will subscribe it now on my this Gmail account. So after that, the Gemini Pro 18 month for 1 year and 6 months will be activated. Okay, now simply I will click on activate plan, and you can see there, yeah, it has been done. You are a Google Pro AI member, you can see, and we have got 5 terabyte storage and many more Gemini Pro features. We can use that. Yeah, you can see there the Pro status with my Gmail account there. Okay, and there is the Pro. Okay, it has been converted to normal account to Pro account. Okay, and now let me show you the storage. We have got about 5 terabyte. Okay, you can see this is the email we have received about activation of the plan. If you need 1 year account of Gemini Pro, if you need 4 months account, if you need 18-month account of Gemini Pro, you can contact me. The link of my Telegram and WhatsApp is in description. You can see there is a 5 terabyte storage we have got by activating this plan. So we can use it in Google Drive, in Photos, and in Gmails. That's awesome. Okay. The features we have got, you can see there, storage backup cleanups like that. And we have Gemini and docs and other features we have got by activating this plan. And this is for 18 months, right? Exactly. You can see now I will show you the process of 4-month account activation. Okay, you can see there the 4-month account, and I will just simply click on get offer. There is some payment method setting which I already done. Okay, and I'm doing it on Arabic client account who provide me this for activation of Gemini Pro 4-month. You can see there the language is in Arabic. So he provided me the Gmail account to activate this offer. Okay, and you can see the subscribe pop-up button has been appeared there. It's mean the plan has been subscribed successfully. Now we have got the features, 2 terabyte storage and many more features we have got in Gemini Pro 4-month. If you need accounts, you can contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The full admin account access with Gmail and password. You can change Gmail password and recovery email phone number. You can secure your account.